Okay folks, right, so what we have here are just a few things I'm going to be using today. I have got a bucket, and in this bucket is very warm water. Now, point of order, do not ever use boiling water or even very hot water. These aerosols, as you all know, are pressurised. It is in essence a little bomb. So very warm water is what we're after, and what that does is, I've had this aerosol sat in this now for a few minutes, and it will get things nice and warm, and the paint will mix quicker, more efficiently, and you'll get better results out the nozzle. So I'll show you that in a second, how it works. Also be mindful that if you fill a Pyrex jug all the way to the top, you can have these sat in Pyrex jugs by the way, if you fill the bucket or the jug all the way to the top and you put your can in, it will displace the water and you'll have water flooding everywhere. So be mindful of that. Don't fill your jug or bucket too much. I've got a little piece of card here. Always great to have a little bit of card knocking around for practicing, just getting your brain in the game. And also I've got an old face shield visor here. I will explain what that's for, a little technique that I used in my paint spraying days when I wanted to get sort of like down and dirty, and a respirator. So I'm going to remount the camera onto the tripod, and I will explain what I'm going to do and quickly get on with it, because this is a Maker Mini. Okay guys, I've just got my respirator hanging around my chin here now. So what I'm going to show you is that paint's been sat in the water for a few minutes. I've not been shaking it at all off screen, so straight away that paint is thin enough to mix. Great tip in the cooler and colder autumn and winter months. So I'll move that bucket of water. And now this is what I hear some people on YouTube doing. Which is a very wasteful way to spray. You will get the job done, but these rattle cans can be expensive, and you're really just sending overspray into the four corners of your workshop or shed. So very inefficient, and it doesn't display any really control. So what we're going to do now is show a couple of simple tips to alleviate that. So right then folks, here's how I do it. Just make sure you've got some space in, and I'm going to get my bearings here and off we go. Okay, so what you're doing there is you are at the start of each pass being controlled, going, releasing the button, and you're trying to overlap and work your way down in methodical sweeps. So that distance and being in control will put the paint where you want it, how you want it. Being greedy for finish will get you this. Hopefully you should be able to see the dusting technique where you're just laying down loads of spray with no control. Hopefully that should be and using proper technique you will get much better coverage with precision. Sometimes intricate masking isn't always necessary. Work smarter, not harder. Easy. And let's even say we're going really off piece now, but let's say you've got your van or something with steel wheels, a trailer, caravan, and they're beginning to rust. Obviously careful preparation, but if you can imagine that your wheel is here, and this was silver wheel paint, using something like that, you don't even have to mask the tyre up. So there you go. Remember folks, to work smarter, not harder. So there you have it folks. Remember, preparation is the key. Failure to prepare, prepare to fail. Don't be greedy for finish. Take your time and be precise. Warm your paint, you will get better results and you can achieve truly wonderful things out of an aerosol or a rattle can. 4, stay down. Work smarter, not harder. And make sure, finally, correct ventilation and respirators are used in confined spaces. So with that being said, some simple little tips. Get out there with your aerosols, applying your lacquers, take time, have pride and passion in your work, and you will take your wood turning art to the next level, be it any other project. So aerosols work fine, but like anything else, it's not a mystery, it's just practice and passion and fun. Okay, so folks, I'm out of here. Until the next time, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as to when we're up and running again. And keep on turning. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing. After you've finished, invert your can. Give it a second or two to spray. Just the propellant will come out and clean your nozzle. Bye.